Hello guys, welcome back to Giri. I hope all of you are doing great, all of you are fine and safe. आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं how to prepare for TS Law CET 5 years LLB entrance exam in 3 months 23 days from zero. So yes, that is what is the timeline that we have. ठीक है ना, तो यहाँ पर हम syllabus डिस्कस करेंगे. We're going to talk about the syllabus, books that you need to study from, and also I'm going to give you a timetable. The mock test for TS Law CET जो अब TL Law CET भी हो गया है, ठीक है ना, वो अपलोड हो चुके हैं on the website. Link is going to be in the description box. You can check that out. Let's get started. First and foremost, 120 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर है, राइट. 90 मिनट्स आपको दिए जाएंगे इस पेपर को सॉल्व करने के लिए. Part A. So the paper is divided into different parts. Part A consists of general knowledge and mental ability. 30 questions. 30 questions are from current affairs. So current affairs are quite a lot in number. The number of questions from current affairs are quite a lot because even in this section, the GK and mental ability section, you will find questions from current affairs. Then 60 questions are going to be there from aptitude for the study of law. Right, so we are going to discuss about the topics that are there in this exam in different sections. Okay, I have analyzed the PYQs and accordingly I'm telling you about the topics, right. Out of 60 questions, 10 questions will be based on or related to comprehension of legal passages given. Okay, 10 questions are going to be related to RC. Okay, so there can be 2 passages followed by 5 questions each, or there can be one passage that has 10 questions. Okay, 10 questions. Okay, right. Now the next is, there is no negative marking in this exam. Indian Constitution, 28 to 30 questions are going to be there from Indian Constitution. For that you can go for my course. In my course I have lectures. तो मेरा जो कोर्स है वो हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स है, इंग्लिश में कोर्स है, राइट. द लेक्चर्स, इन द लेक्चर्स आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिलेटेड टू इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन द इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स. And then we have MCQs, most important MCQs set, one set which consists of around about 400 to 500 questions. Then we have chapter wise MCQs. So this is very important because some questions are going to be covered through MCQs only. Nowhere else you will find these questions in the theory, but in the MCQs only you can find. So that is what we have provided. And then we have one-liner questions. They are also chapter wise. So a lot of practice that is going to take place for each chapter, you know, each topic. You won't miss out on questions that can be asked, because a lot of times when you read theory, you're not able to understand that what type of question can be asked from this topic. So that problem is not going to be there if you buy our course. Link is in the description box. If you don't want to buy our course, you can go for Universal's book for CLAT and other law entrance exams. From there you can cover the theory as well as the MCQs. Right, legal terms and maxims. For legal terms and maxims, you can go to our website lawgiri.com. There I've shared 2 PDFs. You can go through those PDFs. I've also shared 2 videos on Lawgiri's YouTube channel. You can watch those videos. They're also going to help you. Then we have contracts, torts, criminal law, IPR, company law, from where legal GK questions. More questions are asked from legal GK. That is, memory based questions are going to be there. For this you can go for book LA and LR by Willie. Okay, that is the book that you can go for. And for legal awareness, you can legal GK, you can also buy our legal awareness question bank that is available on lawgiri.in. If you want the link, you can ask in the in the comment section. So yeah, this is the book that you can go for if you want to study these topics well. Okay, the terms I've already told you, right. Logical reasoning. Now for logical reasoning, you need to get the book Arihant's logical reasoning book. That is for particularly logical reasoning. Don't buy any book of Arihant that is related to one particular exam. Instead, invest in Arihant's logical reasoning book. That is really good. So you need to study the topics like that of blood relation, series, coding, decoding, analogy, direction sense test, odd one out, also known as classification. This topic can be there by the name of classification also. Number of triangles, clocks and calendars. So this book you need to solve at least 3 times. Each topic try to solve 3 times. Be it the examples, be it the exercise questions, you need to solve each question 3 times. Okay, and if you find any tips and tricks related to any question, write down in the book itself. If there is any question that is difficult or you have attempted it wrong, mark the question, because this is what you can revise later on. Don't mark the answers of any question in the book. Okay. Next is current affairs, 30 questions, around 30 questions for sure. You can get around 30 to 35 questions from current affairs. Good level of current affairs can be seen in the PYQs. You need to prepare from the current affairs from June 2024 till the month of the exam 2025, right? So I would say that either you follow EduGiri YouTube channel where free of cost I'm conducting the Hindu analysis, or you can follow lawgiri.in compilations. If you have backlog, you've not covered the news for the previous months, you can go for our lawgiri.in compilations that consists of 7 to 8 hours of lectures, okay, video lectures wherein I've explained everything. I also help you with your chotu notes that you can use for revision. You can revise from there, and then we also have digi notes. So since these are the notes that you have understood and you've made them yourself, 60% of the thing you're going to learn in the class itself, and the 40 you will be able to learn when you keep on revising things. So you are good to go if you take our current affairs compilations, right? With that, you with the mock test this time, we are also providing you from June till the month of the exam current affairs MCQs. Practice those also, because that is going to change the game for you. You're going to understand how you're performing in your current affairs, and if you're not performing well, obviously you can go back to the theory and do what needs to be done. Obviously you can ask your queries with regard to the learning part in the comment section, or you can get connected with me on Instagram. I'm there by the name I am Lawgiri. Okay, there you can ask if you have any queries. But yeah, this is what you need to do. Theory from either EduGiri or lawgiri.in, and then MCQs, that is a monthly test that are provided with the mock test for free of cost. Otherwise, they are available for rupees 250 per month. Okay. Then we have static GK, facts related to Telangana. If you live in the state of Telangana, I assume that in every state you get these books that are small books wherein they're related to the state exams, where you get to know about the facts related to the state are discussed in those books. You can get that, or I'll try to try to collect some content related to Telangana and give it to you. But yes, this is something, if you can go to the local bookshop and find for yourself the small book, that is going to be great. For other topics, what can be done is, look, you can go for Lucent's MCQs. You can go for Lucent's MCQs book first, and then you can read the theoretical part also. You can read the theory part also, right? So the level of questions is a bit on the higher side. So Lucent's MCQs is what I recommend, and you can follow it after you're done with your MCQs. You can do your Lucent's theory book also. If you directly do Lucent's theory book, then one problem that you're going to face is that you won't be able to know that what you need to learn, right? So that is why first you need to go for the MCQs, and then you should move on to the theoretical part. Okay, then you have geography. You need to do quite a bit of it, like important monuments you need to cover, national parks and sanctuaries, awards, sports, military cups, important first name of countries, like which country is known as the sugar bowl of the world. These kind of names are asked. Different kinds of studies, boundary lines, all of this. McMahon line is the line between which of the following countries. All of these questions are asked very often in the exam. For maths, you can go for 18 Days Wonder by S. Chand. Okay, 18 Days Wonder by S. Chand is a good book for these topics. This is a very, very good book, right? And then reading comprehension. You can prepare the reading comprehension part from any book that you have. You just need to practice for 5 to 10 days and you're good to go. You don't really need to worry about these 10 questions. If you have performed well when it comes to reading comprehension in your 12th standard or like that also, I think the level is not that high. But yes, you can practice from our mock tests also. Yeah, you can practice the reading comprehension from any book, right? You can buy any book and you can practice from there. This is the timetable that I want you to follow. For every 5 days, I've given you some targets that you should achieve, right? And yeah, promise me in the comments that you are going to for sure, follow the timetable. You are also going to attempt the mock test. Mock tests are given in the description box, so go ahead and enroll. This time with the mock test, as I've already discussed with you, you're going to get June 2024 till the month of the exam 2025 current affairs MCQs free of cost with the mock test. So a lot of practice can happen when it comes to current affairs. So yes, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye, take care. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and you can also message me on Instagram. Bye bye, take care.